guys, it's Joelle and welcome back to another video. You can see the mess in the background around me. This is the bedroom of a girl who leaves for college tomorrow at 4 a.m. So trying to film this video since I just wanted to film a really quick skincare review for you guys before I go, because if I wait till after I leave, there's no chance this is getting filmed. But this is a very fun product, so I wanted to just get it out there to show you guys. For those of you guys who've been following me for a while, you know that I'm pretty into Korean skincare. Korean skincare is something that I've just enjoyed a lot, and I've been trying to take a lot better care of my skin this past year. It's not super evident. I am a little bit breaking out right now. The product that I'm testing out today is kind of like a very trendy product. I feel like I've seen various, reviews for or whatever. I just wanted to try it out for myself. And this is the Graymelin Oxygen Bubble Skin Mask Pack. It's from the brand Graymelin Vintage, and it is a bubble mask facial cleanser. The interesting about this is it's supposed to replace the double cleansing method. It's supposed to help remove your makeup and do more of a deep clean as well to help fight off acne and clear sebum and get the dirt out of your pores and stuff like that. And I've tested this a couple times just as a regular cleanser after I removed my makeup. I use the, what's it called, the Vanilla Co Clean It Zero to take off my makeup normally, but I'm gonna be trying this on camera to remove my makeup for the day and let you guys know what I think of it. I'm wearing a relatively full face of makeup today. I have concealer and powder and eyebrow stuff, waterproof mascara, so I'm gonna see what this does to remove my makeup. I know I'm totally tempting fate by throwing a cleanser on my face while sitting on my bed. This is not the best idea, but we're gonna do it anyways for the sake of filming. But basically the way that this mask works is you just put it on dry face and then it starts to foam up. Oh my gosh, I can already feel it foaming up. Ah! It feels so weird. Bringing y'all a little closer to my face so you can see what we're working with, but I just threw it on my face and it is already starting to foam up a little bit. I did not apply the most even layer, unfortunately, but trying to do it one-handed without a mirror on my bed to be able to film this because my bathroom lighting is not amazing. But I already feel it starting to foam up and get crinkly almost. When bubbles are crunchy, that's how it feels. And you're not actually supposed to leave this on super long. You're supposed to only leave it on for a minute really to let the foam all activate. Yeah, it says 30 to 40 seconds, and then you massage your face and neck with the soft bubbles, and then I rinse. Oh, so on the bottle it tells me a little more about the ingredients. Coenzyme Q10 accelerates production of energy of the cells, normalizes the function of skin, helps to maintain health and beauty. Tocopherol acetate, I'm saying all of these wrong by the way, diminishes the loss of moisture in your skin and improves the appearance of rough, dry, or damaged skin. And collagen is superior to holding ability of moisture. That was not good English. It helps your skin retain moisture better and gives you a good sense of use, for it is not sticky. English, it's hard. But awesome. So it has a lot of cool, great ingredients. Collagen is great for your skin, and I don't have many products with collagen in it, so very fun. Oh my gosh, I feel like you can see the bubbles kind of sliding down my face as I'm waiting for it to activate. But I'm really hoping this mask will also help cleanse kind of gently, since it's not exfoliating too much. I recently got a rash, or just started breaking out kind of in this weird irritation on my cheeks because I tried this really bougie expensive serum from La Mer or something, and it really messed up with my face. So that was a huge bummer because it was super expensive, but my sister returned it to Sephora, so don't have to deal with that no more. But that just proves that not everything that's expensive is always the best. Okay, I've been waiting for this to foam up long enough, so I am gonna go rinse my face and see how well it removed my makeup. Alrighty, you guys, I am back. My face is cleansed. I did not put anything on after rinsing off my foamy mask. But just to show you guys a little bit of how it removed my makeup, actually, it did remove all of my face makeup very well. You can see my cute pimples coming out, all the irritation on my cheeks since all my concealer has been washed away now. Got my eyebrow gel off pretty cleanly. The only thing I noticed is my eyelashes have a little bit of mascara still left on. I used a waterproof mascara, so a little tougher staying power. but I'm definitely gonna need to go back in with my vanilla Clean It Zero and get rid of that because I don't want to go to sleep with mascara on my face. But besides that, in terms of like overall cleanser, it felt very, very complete. So overall, given what it claims to do, which is like, you know, replace the double cleanse method, I would say it actually does hold up to pretty high standards. Because I think waterproof mascara in particular is just generally harder to break down, so I don't think it's a huge deal that it wasn't able to completely remove all my waterproof mascara, because typically I think it is good on your eyes to be a little more like specific and gentle and careful with how you remove your makeup. Also, like the foamy sensation was very fun. It's pretty fast acting, so even though it says it's a mask, I consider it more as like a cleanser, because the mask you only leave on for like a minute, you know, so it's not really one of those like pampering leave it on, have a little spa night kind of things. You really just want to put it on and then wash it off. But anyways, I hope this review slash demo was slightly helpful for anyone who may be considering getting or just trying a Korean bubble mask pack, because again, a little more innovative, different kind of product. And if you guys want to test out this one in particular, I'll have a link down below where you guys can get it off of Amazon. I got mine from GoSelly. They were super generous to send it to me. They are not paying me, however, to say anything about this product if you're concerned about that at all. It is 100% my own opinions and experiences. It is an affiliate link, so say a bunch of you guys just really decided you needed this foamy mask, I'd make a tiny bit of money off of it, but almost negligible. GoSelly is an Amazon distributor, so they've sent me a few products in the past that I've really enjoyed, so I've definitely will continue to like check out their inventory and review more of their products, because I think they're kind of fun. They're definitely the more like interesting and different products that you can't really get in the US. I had a lot of fun with this. I think this is a really fun, just like different tingly feeling product to try, so I will definitely continue to use this, because I did think it was a very good, just like gentle cleanser. It doesn't feel particularly drying or harsh. Anyways, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this short little video. Just given that I'm, you know, starting classes in college and whatnot again, unfortunately I can't make my videos as intricate or, you know, long as they used to be. So I'm trying to just have more concise content for you guys to be able to post as frequently as I would like to, but still be able to, you know, manage my classes and everything else that I need to do. If you're new here and you've not yet subscribed, please feel free to do so. I try to post videos every week, and be sure to turn on that bell notification so you're notified every time that I upload. And if you would like to follow more of my everyday life for whatever reason, you know, American college student, very fun, you can follow all my social medias. Those are always linked down below, just thrown right here for your convenience. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this was informative and entertaining for you guys, you know, maybe a little bit. I love you guys so much. Jesus loves you, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.